Hey everyone, look, standing static in one spot, that just turns you into a moving punching bag, a really easy target. In this explainer, we're diving into a high-intensity session to figure out exactly how to turn you into a ghost in the ring, completely untouchable. We're gonna decode 6 golden head movement drills step by step. You ready for this? Let's get right into it.
All right, section 1, knee touches. This is all about the foundation of your guard and establishing that center line.
Listen up, one of the biggest mistakes fighters make is having no clue exactly how far they need to move their head to slip a punch. This baseline drill gives us a precise reference point. Now, put your coach hat on with me for a second. I need you to focus on the mechanics here. Step 1, your rear hand touches your lead knee. Step 2, your lead hand touches your rear knee. And step 3, rotate those hips naturally from side to side. And hey, remember to fully extend your arms when touching those knees to stop yourself from overslipping. This movement is a fantastic way to fire up your core muscles, which is absolutely crucial for keeping your balance in the pocket.
Now here is a golden, absolute must-follow rule. The second your body learns this spatial reference point from your knees, those hands need to snap right back up to protect your face. A super common mistake is dropping the guard after slipping. Don't do it. Keeping perfect form, especially when you're exhausted, is what strengthens that mind-muscle connection. It's literally the difference between an amateur and a pro.
Moving on to section 2, combined movements, slip and roll. This is where we build that fluidity.
Static, one-dimensional movements, yeah, those are gonna get you knocked out real quick. It's time to push the pace and flow like water. Let's count out the phases of this combo drill. 1, slip to the lead side. 2, slip to the rear side. 3, roll right back to that original slip position. 1, 2, 3. Notice how we never just stop and stay in a static spot? Your kinetic chain here needs to act like a loaded spring, multiplying your defensive reaction speed.
To really lock in the geometry of this movement, I want you to visualize something. Imagine you're literally drawing the letter U in the air with your nose. This seamlessly connects your slips right into the roll. That U shape keeps your center of gravity nice and low, perfectly balanced. It lets you evade heavy artillery without losing your positioning and keep your eyes glued to your opponent the entire time.
Section 3, distance control. We're looking at the pull and slip for inch-perfect evasion. Okay, so if your opponent is firing straight shots at you, like a lightning-fast double jab, this precise technique completely neutralizes their weapon and pulls them right into a trap. But pay attention. The pull has a strict definition. You lean the upper body back just slightly, so your torso is at the exact same angle as your thigh. This takes your head out of range by literally just a couple of inches. Make no mistake, you are not throwing yourself backward and killing your balance. It's a subtle movement that keeps you in the perfect range without losing your center of gravity.
Major warning right here. A fatal mistake so many fighters make is dropping their hands when they pull back. Under the intense stress of the ring, when fatigue sets in, your brain just wants to drop that guard. Don't let it. The proper form is keeping those hands glued to your face, with your torso angled slightly back. Keep that guard up like a brick wall, so you are instantly ready to fire off the next slip.
Section 4, punish opponent. It's time to weaponize the defense with some counters. Here's the golden rule of combat, guys. Making them miss is completely useless if you don't make them pay for it. Let's break this counterattack chain down. Step 1, throw a rear hand. Step 2, slip twice. Step 3, throw a jab using rotational momentum. The rotational energy from your slip, that torque, has to directly fuel your counterpunch. It adds so much devastating power to your jab. Listen to me on this one. Flow is absolutely mandatory. If you slip in the wrong direction, you completely break the kinetic chain. You'll literally kill all the power of your counter. You have to feel the path of kinetic energy so the flow never, ever stops.
Section 5, hip rotation. We're combining the hook and roll to generate power under pressure. All right, time to bring out the heavy artillery, the hook and roll. Generating devastating power with these movements relies entirely on properly rotating your hips and bending your knees. Here's how it goes. Step 1, throw a rear hook. Step 2, drop your levels by bending your knees to roll right under their punch. And step 3, explode upward with a lead hook. For safety, please never bend from your lower back. Drop your center of gravity with your knees and use the sheer power of your legs to strike, just like a compressed spring exploding upward.
Section 6, the final challenge.
This is the ultimate multi-phase attack combo drill.
You've got to train your body to naturally throw a punch off of every single slip. This epic drill is designed to build insane stamina and turn your counterattacks into a rapid-fire automatic instinct. This right here, this is exactly what separates the amateurs from the absolute elite.
Look at this relentless sequence on the screen. It's a 1-2 punch, then slip, a 2-3 punch, then slip, a 3-4 punch, then slip, all the way up to a 7-8 punch. This rhythm has to be completely nonstop with perfect bodily coordination. Punch, slip, punch, slip. You need to run this endurance chain with maximum explosive speed without letting your form get sloppy until it is completely hardwired into your muscle memory.
Finally, I want to leave you with this tough question. Are you willing to put in the grueling, exhausting reps required to make these defensive movements an impenetrable instinct? When you're dead tired in the ring, it's these automatic reactions that are going to save you. So get to work, drill relentlessly, and make yourself absolutely impossible to hit.